Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic is Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. According to the recently released IPCC's report, Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, that is AMOC, is losing its stability and is very likely to decline over the 21st century. The ocean has an interconnected current or circulation system powered by wind, tides, the Earth's rotation, that is Coriolis effect, the sun or solar energy, and water density differences. Now let's understand what is AMOC. The AMOC is a large system of ocean currents. It is the Atlantic branch of the ocean conveyor belt or thermohaline circulation, that is THC, and distributes heat and nutrients throughout the world's ocean basins. AMOC carries warm surface waters from the tropics towards the northern hemisphere, where it cools and sinks. It then returns to the tropics and then to the South Atlantic as a bottom current. From there, it is distributed to all ocean basins via the Antarctic circumpolar current. Now let's understand why is the AMOC slowing down. Climate models have long predicted that global warming can cause a weakening of the major systems of the world. Fresh water inflow from the melting of the Greenland ice sheet. In July 2021, researchers noted that a part of the Arctic's ice called the last ice area has also melted. The fresh water from the melting ice reduces the salinity and density of the water. Now, the water is unable to sink as it used to and weakens the AMOC flow. Indian Ocean may also be helping the slowing down of AMOC, increasing precipitation and river runoff. Now let's have a look at the implications of the decline of AMOC. Without a proper AMOC and Gulf Stream, Europe will be very cold. Gulf Stream, a part of the AMOC, is a warm current responsible for mild climate at the eastern coast of North America as well as Europe. An AMOC shutdown would cool the northern hemisphere and decrease rainfall over Europe. It can also have an effect on El Nino. El Nino is a climate pattern that describes the unusual warming of surface waters in the eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. It can also shift monsoons in South America and Africa. Now moving on to conveyor belt. Density differences in ocean water contribute to a global scale circulation system, also called the global conveyor belt. It includes both surface and deep ocean currents that circulate the globe in a 1,000-year cycle. The global conveyor belt's circulation is the result of two simultaneous processes. Warm surface currents carrying less dense water away from the equator toward the poles, and cold deep ocean currents carrying denser water away from the poles toward the equator. The ocean's global circulation system plays a key role in distributing heat energy, regulating weather and climate, and cycling vital nutrients and gases. Now let's move on to the question for today. Consider the following statements regarding Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, that is AMOC. 1. The AMOC is a large system of ocean currents in the Atlantic Ocean. 2. This system keeps the oceans connected to each other and determines the equal distribution of heat and energy around the Earth. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, or D. neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. We will cover another topic in the next session. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.